Hello everyone, welcome to Mean Life Studies. In this video, we are going to discuss one of the string functions in SQL, that is stuff. This stuff will work as remove and replace. So for example, you have any string type of data, and if you want to remove any particular part of the string, and if you want to replace with any other string, you are going to use this particular string function, that is stuff. Okay, so what is the syntax of this stuff? Let's see here. So you are going to use select and stuff. So whatever the string you want to use, you can use it. And after that, you are going to mention in which part, like what is the position you want to start deleting. So you have to mention with the starting index position. Okay, starting index position that you want to delete, and you have to mention like what is the length from that starting index position to up to how many characters you want to mention. Okay, this is the starting index position, and after that length of the string that you want to delete. Okay, so this is the like how many characters that you want to delete. So starting index you have to define, and the length from this starting index to up to how many characters you want to delete. So now in this place, what is the string that you want to replace with? You have to define that. So I'm just mentioning any other string. Okay, so now how it's going to return? It's going to return like starting index position. For example, I'm just considering any string type of data. Select stuff of, I'm just using welcome Mahindra. Okay, so this is a string or sentence, whatever it could be here, string type of data only, right? So I want to delete a particular index position to particular length, for example. So what is the length of this welcome? Let's see here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So this is 7, right? So now this is 8, a single space also counted, right? So this is 8 and this is 9, right? So now I'm just mentioning 9. So it's going to consider the starting index position is 9, and I'm going to mention 2. Okay, that's going to consider the starting index position, that is m, that is 9, right? So and after that, how many characters it's considering? 2 characters. So it is considering only ma. So whatever the data that you want to replace with, you can mention here. I'm just mentioning with another string, whatever the string you want to replace with. I'm just using hi. So now if you observe, from the given string, it's going to deleting or removing the starting index position from 9 to 2 characters. So in that particular string, that is ma, we are going to replace with another string. Okay, so now if I execute this one, you can see here it's returning like welcome hi Hendra, right? So that means these two letters has replaced with whatever the string that we have used to replace, right? So even you can change this one to here, I'm just using length of Mahindra. So now if you observe, what is the length of Mahindra? It is 3, and here you can see here total of 8, right? So total of 8. So now if you observe, its starting index position is 9 from here. And total, how many? This entire string is removed, and in that place, we are going to replace with whatever the string that you want to replace with. Okay. So now if I execute this one, you can see here, it's returning like welcome, hi. So even if you want to replace with any other name, you can mention it. Now if I execute this one, you can see here it's written like welcome Mahi. So similarly you can define with anything. So now if I use 1, so that means the starting index position that you want to remove. So that is from the given string like welcome Mahendra. From this one, this is the starting index position, that is 1. So from 1 up to length of Mahindra. What is the length of Mahindra? That is 8. So now starting from 1 up to this index position like 1 space, right? So total of 8. So this entire string will be removed, and in that place Mahi will be replaced. So now how will be getting Mahi Mahendra? Will be getting Mahi Mahendra now. You can see now Mahi and Mahendra. So this is how stuff will help us to remove and replace in a single statement. So it will be given any string type of data, and if you want to replace, I mean if you want to remove any portion of your string, and in that particular portion whatever the other string that you want to replace with, you are going to use this special string function, that is stuff. I hope you understood.